Nolita finally makes a move on Kaya and it works. I think it's go 10-1 now. Yes, Unandi is winning, but the game is still not over yet. My boy can still recover. I'm sure you guys are so confused asking yourselves what I'm talking about. Well, Kaya slept with Nolita on the latest episode of Isita. After wanting Kaya for a very long time, Nolita went to Mom Rips to get some tips on how to win a man, which I think was very funny. Mom Rips gave those tips to Nolita, and this is a snippet of what happened on that meeting.
Kaya, ndifuna into zam. Kaya, ndifuna into zam. Okay, ndifuna into zam. Kaya, ndifuna into zam.
Looks like this plan worked for Nolita because she then went to have supper with the Sokulu family. After the supper, she then took Kaya home, then got to Kaya's place where she started implementing. And trust me, with the way Nolita touched Kaya and the way she spoke to him, Kaya had no way of saying no. All in all, ladies and gentlemen, Nolita gave her fruit to Kaya, and I'm so happy it finally happened. After what Kaya has been through, he deserves a young distress, man. My only concern with regard to this is Truma. Yes, Truma is no longer with Nolita, but I don't think that he'll be happy knowing that they are still doing their thing. But because he's also in a happy relationship, I don't think it will matter. It will only be a problem if Kaya hides it from him again. That will definitely feel like a betrayal, even to me. Another thing, yes, all along I've been thinking that Nolita is aware that Kaya's eyesight is back, and she doesn't. On Wednesday's episode, after Kaya ate the cake, Nolita found out that he can now see, and she was so surprised to learn about this. Now, wait to see how Kaya's plan of exposing Solomzi and Nandi goes, and someone out there is probably wondering what plan am I talking about. Well, ladies and gentlemen, do not worry. Kaya plants cameras in his house to trap Nandi and Solomzi so that he can have a footage of them sharing a fruit, if you know what I mean. Hey, wait, in fact, no, that is all I'm going to say about this here. I'll then create a separate video with more information. So for now, I'm ending this video on this note. Please comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.